Okay, we're done discussing the regular polyhedron. So let us now move on to the part two of our discussion, which is the prisms, parallelepiped, and cylinders. So when we say prism, prism is a type of polyhedron whose current bases lie in parallel planes. So every section parallel to its base have the same cross-sectional area as that of the base. As you can see, we have a triangular prism. If we're going to cut it, pare-parehas na triangle yung kanilang cross-section. So, ganun din kapag kinat natin yung square prism, the pentagonal prism, the rectangular prism, hexagonal prism, and lastly, we have the trapezoidal prism. The next one, we're going to discuss parts of the prism. So for number one, we have bases. So bases are two parallel and congruent polygon. So when we say bases, this is considered as face. So na-discuss ko na last time yung kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng face. So bases is also considered as faces that serve as the top and bottom of the prism. So these bases are connected by lateral faces. The shape of the bases determine the type of prism. For example, you have rectangular prism, triangular prism, and etc. So yung bases natin dito is ito, yung nasa bottom, at itong nasa top natin. So ito yung ating bases. So sabi kanina, kino-connect sila ng mga lateral faces natin. So what is lateral faces? So lateral faces are rectangular or parallelogram shaped faces that connect the corresponding sides of the two bases. So ito yung ating lateral faces, yung nasa gilid ng ating prism. This is called your lateral faces. Number three, we have the lateral edges. So when we say lateral edges, these are line segments formed by intersection of adjacent lateral faces. So these faces or these edges connect the vertices of the bases. So for example, as you can see, we have vertex over here and also vertex yung nasa base sa baba. So this is called your lateral edge. The next one, we have the altitude or the height of the prism. This is a perpendicular distance between two parallel bases. So this is typically the shortest distance between the bases and is typically measured along the perpendicular or a line perpendicular to both bases. So as you can see, yung height natin is the shortest distance from base na nasa baba at yung base na nasa taas. Okay? So that's the height. So let's discuss kung ano yung mga different formulas natin. For letter A, we have the lateral surface area or the LSA. So for the LSA, we have the number of lateral faces. So you have a figure over here wherein yung bases niya is pentagon. So yung lateral faces niya is this one. Yung pentagon niyan, meron tayo ditong 5 faces. The number of faces natin, we have 5 times side length times the lateral height. So ano yung side length natin? This one. Yung side length ng ating base times height. As you can see, yung face natin dito is rectangle. So parang kumukuha lang tayo ng area ng rectangle. Kaso, binibilang natin lahat. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times yung area ng ating lateral face. So this is actually equal to perimeter, the perimeter of the base times the lateral height. So LSA equal to perimeter times height. Letter B, we have the total surface area. This is equal to the lateral surface area plus dalawang base. Yun ay kung hindi sinabi or sinabi na close yung tank or yung prism. So, ang total surface area niya is LSA plus dalawang base. Pero kapag open or walang lid na kasama, kasi later on, magkakaroon tayo ng mga problem na kung saan open yung tank or walang lid. So, kapag open yung taas, malamang isa lang yung i-add mong base. So, LSA plus base. For letter C, we have volume. So, volume, as you can see, volume is equal to base times height. Or yung base nito is ano makakalaan niyo ito yung base na na gagamitin natin, yung edge. Hindi po, no? Yung base is actually area ng base. Area ng base times height. So, i-take note lang natin dito, baka malito kayo. This is the area. Area ng base times height. Okay? Palitan to, this is not rectangular right prism. This is triangular right prism. Na-typo lang tayo dito, ano? So, the bases of the triangular right prism are 12 centimeter apart. Find the surface area and the volume of the prism if one side of the equilateral triangle or equilateral triangular base measures 6 centimeters. Ibig sabihin, nung sinabi niyang 12 centimeter apart daw yung bases, so it means this is your height. Okay? So, 6 meter, ibig sabihin yung edge natin dito. So, ibig sabihin yan, yung base natin is equilateral triangle. At kapag equilateral triangle yan, ano ulit yung angle natin dito? Lahat po yan, 60 degrees, no? So, times 6. Anong una muna natin hanapin? Find the surface area. So, wala naman siyang sinabi kung total or lateral. Ang ibig sabihin nito, when we say surface area, ibig sabihin yung total na mismo yung hinahanap dyan. So, total surface area equal to lateral surface area plus, okay, walang sinabi na open, so therefore, dalawang base. Okay. So, si lateral surface area, madali lang naman yan, di ba? So, lateral surface area equal to, ilang face meron tayo? We have 1, 2, 3. Tatlong lateral face. So, 3 times, yung side natin, we have 6 centimeter times height, which is 12 centimeter. Ibig sabihin, LSA natin, at my calculator, 8 times 6 times 12. So this is equal to 216 square centimeter. So yung base natin, area ng base natin, this is equal to, we can use yung yung SAS or yung side angle side formula. We have 1/2 AB sine theta. Since 6 lahat to, therefore A and B are just equal. So therefore, this is 6 squared sine 60 degrees. Yeah, 1/2 times 6 squared sine 60 degrees. So, para maging exact tayo, this is 9 square root of 3 square centimeter. Okay? So therefore, what is the total surface area? So TSA now is equal to 216 square centimeter plus dalawang base yon, therefore 2 times 9 square root of 3 square centimeter equal to we have 247.177 square centimeter. So that is the total surface area. Okay? So how about the volume? So volume is actually equal to area ng base times height. So, nakuha na natin dati yung area ng base natin. We have 9 square root of 3 square centimeter times the height, which is 12 centimeter. Therefore, so the answer is 187.061 cubic centimeter. So this is the volume of the triangular right prism. So ganun lang, no? Ganun lang kumuha ng surface area at ng volume. Next one. So a trapezoidal straw, as shown in the figure, lie in parallel plane. So the top of the straw measures 6 feet by 16 feet, and the depth of the straw is 4 feet. Okay, question letter A. 5.A, we have how many cubic feet of water can it hold? So, hindi naman natin pwedeng gawing area nung base natin dito times height na 4. Kasi kapag hinatin natin siya in this direction, hindi na equal yung kanilang cross-sectional area. So, tulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina sa definition ng prism, dapat equal sila, no? Equal sila ng mga cross-sectional area. So, ang hati niyan is pa ganito. So, ang gagawin natin, to find the volume, kasi ito yung hinahanap dito, volume yung hinahanap dito, we need to find first yung area nung face na to. Etong trapezoidal na to, times length or height, which is equal to 16 feet. So, kunin muna natin yung area niya. As you can see, we have 6 feet. We have 4 feet. Height is 4 feet. So, area ng base, sabihin natin ng area ng base, is equal to 1/2 B1 plus B2 times height. Di ba ganyan yung area natin ng trapezoid? So, 1/2 base 1 natin. O, kahit ano na dyan yung unahin nyo. 4 plus 6 times height na 4. So, we have 1/2 times 4 plus 6. This is 10 times 4. 40 divided by 2. This is equal to 20 square feet. O, ito na ba yung answer natin? Hindi pa, no? So, able to get the volume, we have base times length. This is equal to 20 feet, square feet times length na 16 feet. 20 times 16 is equal to 820 cubic feet. So, ibig sabihin, yan yung capacity or yung cubic feet of water na pwede niyang i-hold. Okay? Pag capacity yung hinahanap, ibig sabihin yung total volume yung hinahanap. So, what if hindi total volume yung hinahanap? Let's say, how many cubic feet of water does it contain when the depth of water is only 3 feet? Ibig sabihin, 1 feet away from the top of the straw. So, kunin natin yung cross-section muna, no? I-drawing muna natin kung ano yung itsura ng cross-section natin. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, kung ang total height nito is 4 feet, okay, this is 6 feet, this is 4 feet, this is 3 feet. Hanggang dito yung water level natin. So, para makuha lang naman natin yung volume nito, we need to compute yung area na kung saan, yung area na to, which is yung area ng water natin, times length. Ang problem natin is paano natin kukunin yung area ng water dito. Hindi naman pwedeng gawing 6 feet din to kasi hindi nga siya equal, di ba? This is not equal, no? 6 feet to, therefore, ito, hindi siya 6 feet. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, tulad ng ginagawa natin, okay, so i-cut natin siya dito, i-cut din natin siya dito. Yan. So, kung 4 feet 'to, this is 6 feet. So, ibig sabihin this is 4 feet din, 'di ba? Kasi hinati nga ng so dapat pantay sila. So, kung 6 feet 'to, 4 feet 'to, meron tayo ditong excess. So, we have 6 minus 4, this is equal to 2 divided by 2, this is 1. This is 1 feet. Okay? Sabihin natin kung ito ay 1, ito ay x. So, this is 3. Ang kabuuan nito is 4 feet. So, dito na papasok yung pinabasa ko sa inyo or yung pina-review ko sa inyo na ratio and proportion. So, this is 1 feet. This is x. Okay, yung kabuuan nito, this is 4. Yung height nito, this is 3 feet. Okay? So, dito na papasok yung ratio and proportion natin. No? Okay, kunin natin. Pwede niyong inahin itong x over y, o kaya y over x. So, unahin muna natin tong 1. 1 over 4 equal to x over 3. Ibig sabihin, kung cross-multiply natin yan, x is equal to 3/4 or equal to 0.75. Ibig sabihin pala, x is equal to 0.75. So, pwede na natin makuha yung length nito. If this is x, this is also x. This is 0.75. This is 0.75. Ano ngayon yung kabuang length natin dito? Ibig sabihin, let's say this is our base 1. Base 2 ka mo na lang. This is our base 1. Base 1 natin, therefore, is equal to, okay? From here to here, this is 4 feet. So, 4 plus 2x, which is equal to 0.75. So, ilan yan? So, this is equal to 5.5 feet. So, pwede natin makuha yung area as well as the volume of the water. So, area natin, we have 1/2 base 1, which is equal to 5.5 feet plus 4 feet times height na 3 feet. 14.25 square feet. So, for the volume, this is equal to area ng base times length. So, this is 14.25 square feet times yung length natin, which is 16 feet. The answer is 228 cubic feet. So, ganun lang, no? Ganun lang kumuha ng volume. Next one. Okay, meron pa tayo, no? Sabi dyan, what is the area covered by water when the depth of water is 3 feet? So, parang parehas lang siya dito sa letter B natin. Pero ang tinatanong lang is yung area na wetted. So, yung area na wetted dito is ito. Sa kabila, ganyan din. Plus itong lateral niya. At ganun din sa likod, no? So, ibig sabihin, we need to compute yung area nito times 2 plus area nito times 2. So, paano ba natin makakompute yan? Balikan natin yung kanina, no? Oops. Okay. So, this is 5.5. Ano yung sabi natin dito kanina? This is 0.75, right? Okay. So, this is 3 feet. So, paano kaya natin makukuha yung area nito? Kasi ito, no problem na eh. Nakuha na natin yung area nito, right? Paano natin kukunin yung area nito? So, para makuha natin yung area nito, we need to compute kung ano yung length na ito. So diyan, ito na yung hinahanap natin. It means yung hypotenuse natin dito. So tawagin na lang natin siyang C. So we need to compute C. Paano natin kukunin yung C na yan? Of course, we're going to apply Pythagorean theorem. So C is equal to the square root of 0.75 squared plus 3 squared. So C is equal to 3 the square root of 17 over 4. So dito, yung area nito, itong side lang na to, this is equal to, ah, sabihin na lang natin lateral na lang to. So AL equal to 3 square root of 17 over 4 times 60. Kasi 16 feet yun. Therefore, this is equal to 12 square root of 17. Okay, ano yung na-compute nating area kanina? We have 14.25. This is equal to, okay, dalawang area, ina-compute natin yung base na 14.25 square feet. So, square feet to. So, ito dalawa yan kasi isa pa dun sa kabila. So, plus 2 times 12 square root of 17 square feet. Okay, may nakakalimutan pa ba tayo? Ano sa tingin nyo? May nakakalimutan pa ba tayo? Meron pa, no? So, yung wetted area natin, hindi lang sa side, hindi lang siya sa lateral, kundi pati dun sa baba niya. So, yung baba niya, this is 4 feet, rectangular yan, 4 feet times yung length niya, which is 16 feet. Ibig sabihin, total wetted area natin, so our answer here is equal to 191.455 square feet. So, ito yung total surface area natin or total area na kung saan wetted siya or nababasa ng water. So, sir, bakit po hindi sinali yung taas? Bakit yung baba lang po? Kasi malamang open yan, no? Hindi siya kasali, hindi siya nababasa yung taas. Kasi kahit sabihin pa natin na close to, eh, hindi naman nababasa yung ano, yung lid doon sa taas or yung takip doon sa taas. Okay, proceed na tayo dun sa next question natin. So sabi dito, a wooden slab measuring 15 inches has a two parallel and equal bases, each in the form of a sector with radius of 8 inches and central angle of 35 degree 45 minutes. The wood weighs 10 gram per cubic inches, and we're going to find the total mass in kilogram. Okay. So, drawing natin, no? Ano bang itsura niyan? Wooden slab daw, 15 feet yung length niya. And then, yung cross-sectional area daw niya is, or yung base niya is sector with the radius equal to 8 inches. So, drawing natin yung sector natin, no? Na 3D. Sabihin natin this is 8 inches radius. And we have theta equal to 35 degrees 48 minutes. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Yung length natin dito, this is 15 inches. So, ang tanong dito, we're going to find the mass. Okay, bago natin kunin yung mass, of course, we all know we need to compute first yung volume natin. Ano ba kasi tong 10 gram per cubic inch natin? So, sulat natin. 10 gram per cubic inches natin. So, this is the mass density. Ito yung mass density natin. You have the rho or the mass density equal to 10 cubic or gram per cubic inches. Ibig sabihin, able to find mass, i-multiply lang natin yung mass density natin dun kay volume. Okay? Para makuha yung mass. So first, we need to compute first the volume and then compute the mass pag nakuha na natin yung volume. So, as you can see, this is a sector. Okay, so we need to find the area of the sector. Tapos na natin yan sa plane geometry. Multiply lang natin sa length, then makuha na natin yung volume. Pero ang problem natin, ano po ba yung 35 degree 48 minute? So, ang equivalent po niyan, kasi para maging exact, kasi 'di ba ang mga degrees natin naka point something, 'di ba? So para maging exact siya, yung 35 natin, 35 degree 48 minute, we all know in 1 degree there are 60 in 1 degree there are 60 minute. This is equal to 35 degree plus 48 minute over 60. Ganun lang yung i-input nyo para maging degrees na siya. So 35 plus 48 over 60. So actually this is equal to 35.8 degrees. Ganun lang, no? So sir, paano po kapag merong seconds dyan? Kasi we have degree, minute, second. So ganun din. In 1 degree, there are 60 minute. In 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. Ibig sabihin, kung meron second dyan, i-convert mo siya into minute and then convert mo siya into degree. So divided by, instead of divided by 60, divided by 60 squared. So ganun na kapag may second. Okay, so huwag kayo matakot ha. Ito, para hindi nyo na siya i-convert, nakikita nyo yung calculator nyo sa may, sa may malapit sa square root. Kung gumagamit kayo ng Canon calculator, may nakikita kayo dyang degree at yung tatlong quit. Yung una dyan, yung unang quit dyan is actually yung minute natin. And then yung dalawang parang quotation sign dyan, that is actually the second. So para ma-input nyo yung 35 degree 48 minute, 35, then press yung button na yon, and then 48, then press nyo ulit yung button na yon. Okay? Kung ayaw nyo mag-convert. Okay, so we need to find the area of the sector. So unahin muna natin yung area ng sector natin. So area ng sector, this is equal to, ano ulit yung area ng sector natin? 1/2 r squared theta. Pero dapat in radians to, no? Dapat multiply natin siya ng pi over 180. Okay, so 1/2 given yung r natin or radius natin, which is 8 inches squared times theta, which is 35.8 degree times pi over 180 degrees. Okay, this is approximately equal to, sige, this is approximately equal to 20 square inches. Pero para maging exact tayo, this is equal to 19.9945 square inches. Okay. So, therefore, yung volume natin, area ng sector times length, which is equal to 15 inches. This is 19.9945 inches, square inches, I should say, times 15 inches. You can store your answer. This is equal to 299.917 cubic inches. Ito na ba yung answer natin? Hindi pa, no? So, kunin natin yung mass. This is equal to, okay, the mass density, 10 grams per cubic inch times volume na 299.917 cubic inches. So, multiply natin ng 10. Ang lalabas dyan ay 299.17 grams. Ano bang tinatanong? In kilograms. This is grams. So, ilan bang gram meron ang 1 kilogram? So, 1 kilogram, meron tayong 1,000 grams. So, cancel. This is equal to, sorry, may kulang tayo, 9. Divide niya lang to ng 1,000, ang lalabas po na answer ay 2.999, okay, kilogram or approximately equal to 3 kilogram. So, this is the answer in example number 6. Tayo sa example number 6 natin. So, example number, 7. So, the example number 7, a right prism has a square base and a lateral edge of 10 centimeter. Okay, ito yung lateral edge natin. Baka magtaka kayo, okay, baka yung lateral edge natin is ito, no? Hindi po yan yung lateral edge natin. Okay? So, find the volume of the prism if the lateral area is 120 square centimeter. So, this is X. Sabi dito, the lateral area daw is 120 square centimeter. So, LSA equal to 120 square centimeter. Okay? And we're going to find the volume. So, in finding the volume, we need to get the side ng ating square base. Then, after that, we're going to find the area of the square base times 10. And then, yun, makukuha na natin yung volume natin. Okay, dito ang given lang, sinabi niya dito is 120 square centimeter daw yung lateral area. So, ano na ulit yung formula ng lateral area natin? Okay, kung nakalimutan nyo o di-drawing nyo, tapos bilangin nyo kung ilang face yan, since yung isang face ng lateral area natin is rectangular, so di sabihin, height or side, which is x, times height, which is 10 centimeter, times, okay, ilan ba yung natin? Ilan ba yung faces natin? So, 1, 2, isa sa likod, isa sa kaliwa, so 4. Ibig sabihin, x is equal to, we have 120 divided by 40. This is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay? So, makuha na natin yung volume natin. So, area ng base natin times height. Area ng base natin, this is 3 squared. Times height natin na 10 centimeter. Therefore, this is equal to 90 cubic centimeter. So, ganun lang.